What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and today is a special day because it is the day we get back to Magic Kingdom and the Walt Disney World Resort. I'm so excited. Let's hop on the monorail. Let's get over to the Magic Kingdom. And by reopening day, I mean, well, pass holder day. So you had to sign up for it. And, well, we did. We're here. Is it good to see the monorail again? So we're not going to go into too many details about the social distancing and stuff like that, but we can see the circles on here before you load onto the monorail, and then they have partitions right there. So it's one group per little cabin segment. And here we are. We're on the monorail. That is for the new entry area. A lot of progress on that. Ta-da! We have arrived, and man, is this weird. Look at this. Not exactly busy right here. Normally there are hundreds of people in the way. Oh man, does it feel good to be back. It's like a ghost town. Man, look at that view, straight down Main Street, and hardly anybody is actually in the street. And of course, there's the castle with the beautiful new paint job. So something kind of funny that Lauren and I just experienced, we had the photo pass person right there and the castle right there, and we stopped and we took a photo, but you still found yourself smiling even with the mask, didn't you?
I know, it's so weird.
It's habit.
Yeah, you can't.
It's habit. Alright, so we just had a chance to see the parade, or at least one of the parades, I guess, with all the princesses. Personally, I think it's kind of neat because you get a chance to see everybody. And of course, you can't just do your normal photo op standing next to them anymore, but I liked it. By the way, the castle looks awesome in my opinion. Well, we're hungry and we normally get chicken nuggets here from Cosmic Rays, but when was the last time you saw this place like this? Tomorrowland Speedway, it's open and I've got the need for speed. On the road again. I can't wait to get on that road again. And Lauren's driving like she's a little tipsy now. Ooh, fancy walls. And then Tron right there. No! One of my favorite attractions is not open today. People Mover. Hopefully soon. We're gonna go do Space Mountain though. And here we are up in the station. Literally a walk-on. And our chariot has arrived. Yes, let's go to space. Teacups with nobody on it except for like 2 gas. Seven Dwarfs is open. Hello, giant box. And this is of course for Tron. Again, how often do you see this place like this? Never. Look at those empty seats on Seven Dwarfs. Let's go do that actually. You think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go catch a ride since nobody's on it and normally has a very long wait. And here we are at the entrance to Seven Dwarfs. Says 10 minutes, but we saw empty seats. And here we go. Partitions right there in the queue. Spinning barrels. So yeah, walk on, and our chariot has arrived. Literally no wait for Seven Dwarfs. Insane. And away we go. Excellent. Seriously though, I feel like we're in an episode of The Twilight Zone, don't you? It's a small world with some barricades or walls up right there. Entrance over there is open, but I missed it, but not enough to go take a ride on it. Haunted Mansion, showing 5 minutes. Probably will be even less. And here we go inside. Hello.
Hello.
And what's going to be really weird, stretching room will not be stretching. So it's now just a walkthrough. And here we go. Hello.
Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, of course, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
Toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Come on, where is everybody? Did Thanos snap his fingers or something? Hello, Splash Mountain. Well, Splash Mountain for a little bit longer. As some of you may have heard, it's going to be getting a change to Princess and the Frog, featuring Tiana. If you want some Splash Mountain merchandise, you better get here early in the morning because we've seen some waits up to about, 240 minutes. They're taking down phone numbers and texting you when to come back. But yeah, I'd expect a lot of this merchandise to end up on eBay soon. Yo ho, you're not gonna be riding pirates. Well, it's 7 o'clock, park's closed. We literally got here at, say, like 5:15, so a very limited amount of time. Plus, we had some food, but we enjoyed ourselves. Of course, Jungle Cruise over there. Magic carpet ride. All right, come on. Let's see if this works. Come on, baby. Come on, this should be working. No. Oh, hey, it's the ducks of Walt Disney World. With a lot of friends too. It's dinner time. Hello there.
And that makes a big difference.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Walt Disney World Resort, more specifically Magic Kingdom, the reopening day for pass holders, and man, was it a fun time. We were here for only just a little bit. We had a chance to do pretty much everything with a walk-on. Tron, looking pretty good. Hopefully there's going to be some progress with that. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.